To suffer is to learn. You are here on this earth to learn. The greatest teaching tool to learn from is to suffer. People suffered to learn great things on this planet. There are many ways to suffer on this planet. Great teachers came from the experience. Great teachers can arise from suffering. On this planet, there are millions of ways to experience suffering. Suffering is not a negative thing. It is a teaching tool. One of the greatest teaching tools that you can acquire from existing on the planet. Many spirits learn about suffering early on. There are many, many ways to suffer on your planet. Suffering is a great teacher. Suffering is something that cannot be experienced on any other planet. Deep sense of loss can also not be experienced on any other planet. Your planet is very special to us because we cannot learn such things on any other planet. You are unaware of how important your planet is to us. Your planet has helped us in so many ways to grow, learn, and evolve as spiritual beings. We adore your planet. We have learned so much from your planet. We have learned what it is to be a human. What it is to be a human is the greatest teaching of all. We have learned so much from all the facets and variations of experience there, only to be learned on your planet. Know that when you pass over to the other side and look back at the suffering, you'll be so grateful that you are part of that deep suffering, sadness, and sorrow. Because you have learned much from that experience. You have a great knowing because of your experience. A deeper understanding of what it is to be human. Humans are fascinating beings. We grow, learn, and evolve from your experiences as well. We watch what it is you go through, like on a TV, and learn from your experiences on your planet. You are a great being. Your emotions are so vast and broad and has so many variations in them. There is endless teachings to be learned on your planet. They are so different from our own planets. Only Earth can provide us with the teachings that you have available on your planet. We have an overwhelming respect for those of whom have made the decision to adventure through the school of planet Earth. It is such a foreign and challenging and alienated planet from our own. Only the bravest spirits take on such a challenge, in which your planet that only can provide us. It is difficult for you to understand what it is we are explaining, because you're unaware of where you have come from, unaware of what you have set up for yourself to accomplish, unaware of what you have set up for you to learn from the planet. You are consumed with all the emotions that flood your soul at this time. You are so consumed with all of your emotions that you are unable to see beyond all of the overwhelming emotions that can completely fill your existence. It overtakes all of which you are. Well, you are unable to fathom and understand anything else other than what you are emotionally experiencing. You are also drawn to the negativity. It charges you up. You continuously attract what it is you constantly think about. It continuously repeats itself, and you get in a emotional charge or high off of the continuously attracting the negativity. Negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions. You are unaware that you are constantly attracting it, and unaware that your body craves for the charge, that it craves it, and you constantly attract the negativity. Those of whom are stuck in the negativity primarily think of the horribleness that surrounds them. It only affects them because that is what they are continuously thinking about. After you have learned for many lifetimes of being on earth that this is true, you will deviate from this perpetual attraction of negativity and lean more towards love and light and beauty, in which also surrounds you. The beauty in nature helps the souls in which are suffering move towards a more loving existence, positive existence, and have a strong sense of sight, and come to the realization that concentrating on the negative is only attracting more negative. They realize that they are surrounded by beauty, surrounded by nature. There is an abundance of nature surrounding them. Loving beings surround you at all times. Loving beings are continuously transmitting loving vibrations in your direction. They are always with you.